Are you having trouble seeing your iPhone screen? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily enlarge the screen on your device. I'll walk you through all of the steps, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Display and Brightness. And then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Display Zoom. So now what you want to do next is simply select larger text. And then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Use Zoomed. And now it will take a couple of seconds to switch to zoomed mode. As you can see now, everything on my screen is a bit larger than before, which will make it easier for me to see the stuff on my iPhone screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.